Good morning from pretty cloudy Carbondale. I just got, excuse me, I just got my second shot of the Pfizer vaccine and I feel really tired, congested, and very like my body is kind of aching, but it's kind of not at the same time. But it's fine. I can still get up and do some work. Today is the first day of Ramadan, and of course I will not be fasting for today. And to tell you the truth, I don't know if I will be participating in Ramadan this year. I'm not even a practicing Muslim. I don't know if I would still be considered as a Muslim in a way. I don't believe in the institution of religion. It's just not it for me. I would like to think I'm more spiritual than religious. I want to give you guys some update. I've been going to therapy and I feel like this is the most effective therapy that I've ever experienced. I've been going to therapy since I was 12, 13 years old, and I'll be turning 25 this June. I feel like with therapy, after you unpack a lot of feelings, resentment, I feel like you have to re-experience the bad to really fully recover and understand how to navigate and how you're gonna go about that trauma. It's either you can keep blaming the people who hurt you, or you can understand it's not entirely your fault. That's just the cause and effect of things, and you grow and move on from it. About a month and a half ago, I found myself crying out of nowhere and feeling like I don't really want to be here anymore. And I called the health center, and I knew completely that, well, my depression is, she's back. I do want to go back into YouTube and like slowly slide in the most sustainable, not overwhelming way. So I thought that we could just spend time together. We will be doing a public goods review. They just sent me a box and I'm gonna talk about it with you guys in a bit. Let me finish my coffee. My desk used to be over there, now it's over here because I like to look outside. Yeah, clearly she's very unorganized, but let's do some work and then we can do the review and you can come and cook with me. Okay, Ramadan. Other than not being a practicing Muslim or not really sure how I feel, I'm very sure that I don't like religion. It's just not for me. It's just personally not for me. Yeah, but other than that, I do have a really difficult relationship with food. I realize that, I don't know, should I put trigger warning? I'm not really gonna say much, but I have a really weird relationship with food. And I don't think starving myself, regardless for higher power or whatever, I don't think it would necessarily be a good idea. Maybe I can just do it once a while instead of the whole month. I really don't know. Oh my god, you guys. I am so tired. Like, my body is so tired. I'm exhausted. My body feels, oh, that's not a good background. I just need it to lay down. My body feels so heavy and I kind of feel congested, but at the same time I'm not, which is very interesting. Let's do the, look at my hair. Let's do the public goods unboxing. I got some veggie chips. Next, I ordered some cookies, which I'm really looking forward to because I love cookies. Oh, It's a bit damaged, but that's okay. I think the cookies are still fine. I got the classic chocolate chip cookies. All right. I think these are the dish soap. Yes, dish soap. I got some more dish soap. I wonder how it smells like. It smells really fresh, a little bit lemony-ish. This is the hand soap that I am excited to try because with the panorama, Panera that's going on, hand soap is so important. I've been using bar soaps lately and I kind of miss having gel soap. Let's see how it smells like. Fresh, like citrus, light citrus freshness. I'm all about light scented. I don't like strong scented way much. I don't like heavy scented products because allergies. I don't like sneezing, so that's always a good one. Probably one of my favorite. This is a Mash tote bag and it is for vegetables or produce when you're shopping. And I think this is super handy. Everyone should have it. I mean, if they need it. I got some hot sauce. I love spicy food. Yes, I do have IBS, but look. Nobody can stop me from consuming rice and spicy condiments, spicy foods in general. I don't care. I don't care. I guess I have to spend more time in the bathroom. I don't care. Last but not least, some couscous. I got the organic garlic and olive oil couscous. I love the packaging. It's very minimal and it is very affordable. And they're also a socially responsible company as well. I will have more information on public goods on my next video, on my conscious consumer video, so you guys will know all the deets. Oh my god, this lighting is so bad. I'm on the floor, don't worry, my floor is clean. Let's try the veggie chips. It's not as salty as I would like it to be, but I guess it's more healthier when you don't have too much salt. Hello? Spams, I'm telling you. Yo. I just woke up from, it wasn't even a nap, I was sleeping. I woke up and drank some water. I'm feeling so nauseous right now. I'm supposed to be in a meeting right now, but dude, I can't do it.